Today we're making Kaleji or mutton liver chili fry, and this is a recipe from Amit's study buddy from school, Capt Rohit Baswani. It's a quick fix recipe that he picked up in the army because in the army, as you know, people are always on the move and you don't have time for things. So this is a really quick recipe. Basically the Kaleji, this is half a kilo of Kaleji, has been marinating in 2 teaspoons of vinegar, some ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of Garam Masala and 1 teaspoon of pepper. And this I'm going to be frying with onions, and we're going to add some capsicum and green chillies to it. The oil is nice and hot. I put 1 bay leaf in and 1 thinly sliced onion. Once this onion browns, that's when we'll move on to the next step. Now that the onion is kind of brown, I'm going to be adding just the marinade, not the Kaleji. This is so that the ginger garlic paste that's in the marinade sort of gets cooked, because one doesn't want to overcook the Kaleji. The ginger garlic paste has also got cooked. The kacha smell is gone. I'm going to be adding the rest of the Kaleji as well. Remember, never overcook Kaleji because then it becomes really hard, and don't undercook it either because you don't want to eat raw Kaleji. Actually, Rohit's instructions were so crisp and clear that both Amit and I said we have to make this immediately. I'm going to poke 1 Kaleji and see if it still needs to be done. The Kaleji is almost done. It's not bleeding from the inside. I'm going to be adding all these things into it. So that's 1 onion cut in chunks, green chillies, lots of them, and capsicum. Captain Baswani said basically this is like a do pyaza. So you have 1 onion which goes into the masala and 1 onion which is in your mouth. I think it's a Punjabi adaptation. I'm just going to cover this and let it cook for a little while, let the onion soften a bit, but otherwise it's done. Yep, I think it's done. The oil is coming to the top and the onions are kind of soft, smelling awesome, and switch off the fire. So now I'm going to serve myself some and eat it in peace before you know who decides to attack it. This is hot, so I might go fufa. Yeah, Rohit, thank you so much. दिल्ली की याद आ गई. Delhi winter, ठंडे ठंडे मौसम में बैठ के गरम गरम कलेजी मसाला. Oh my god. Can we do that please? December 2021. That onion tastes awesome. और खा लो. For the details of the recipe by Captain Rohit Baswani, please look in the description section below. And meanwhile, I'm going to carry on eating some more. Don't tell Amit.